Okay, so I just thought I would film a quick update about what's going on. So our solar panels are delayed. They were supposed to be here November 16th. Today is like the 26th. And so they're still not here. We're very upset. It's the like transit company's issue. They didn't have the right truck, and then they didn't have all the pieces. So we were supposed to leave this Sunday to go to the cabin, and they say that it'll be here Monday, but we don't know because it's closed, because yesterday was Thanksgiving. Today's the day after Thanksgiving. They're still not open, so we don't know what's going on. But I just wanted to make an update video of what's happening, because I know it's been a while since I posted one, and what we're doing to prepare and to pack, and the new stuff we have so far to put in our solar and put in the cabin. So here I'm just making a list of things we need to do at the cabin, things we need to buy, and then things we need to pack. We have a little list here of all the stuff that needs done, and it's a lot. So we ordered a propane heater for whenever we leave the cabin for like a weekend or week so the pipes don't freeze. We're gonna put it in the bathroom, and it'll also just help heat the back room in the bathroom if it needs it. Mr. Heater. And that will be nice to like take the chill off of when we get back and there's no fire going, or even overnight and that sort of thing. So hopefully that will help. And then we also have a great friend who runs a steel company, and they got us the galvanized steel for putting our solar panels in place. So we're just building a platform and then attaching it to the platform. So these are those. We still have to drill holes for that, and I'll probably video that along the way also. All right, so we're still currently at home. We're in my parents' workshop, and we are preparing our metal base for the solar panels. We have this galvanized steel, and we just cut rounded edges on each piece, and this is so that they can sit in an L bracket, so that maybe in the future we can tilt our panels depending on if it's summer or winter, so that it can get more sunlight directly on them. We obviously don't have these tools to do this at the cabin, so we're trying to do it now before we leave. My dad went to Lowe's this morning, and he got us butcher block for our countertop and a mailbox post, and we got a mailbox. Tried to get the biggest mailbox I could find, because I don't know what we're gonna do when we get packages delivered, because they can't make it to our house, and I don't know if they'll just leave them by the road. So that'll be interesting to find out. And then we wanted to get our dining room table done, which we've been working on at home. And we're using boards that were left in the old back part of the cabin. If you've seen the earlier videos, it was like terrifying back there, but there were these really nice wood boards. So we've planed them all down now. I'll try to show what they looked like beforehand, but they're still rough. We still need to plane some of them. And then this, so we'll put them all together, and this will be our dining room table. Once that's finished, we also need to make the legs for the table, and I think that's all we are finishing. I need to order butcher block for the countertop. I think we're just gonna go with butcher block for now. I really wanted to do concrete countertops, but it seems like it's just not in the cards right now in the middle of winter. Also, when we're going down, now it's supposed to be like in the 20s to 40s the whole time, and we need to set concrete posts in the ground to hold the solar. And so we're hoping that it goes well. So we're supposed to leave Sunday, but I don't know what's going on because solar is supposed to be here Monday. And we will put the concrete in the ground, set those up for when we can put the solar in. We need to hook the water up to the house, and then hook up the electrical. And then hopefully move some furniture in or something crazy like that. So I just wanted to film this quick update video to keep you guys in the loop. Hopefully we'll be there all week. I'll film another video, and we can get you updated on everything that's going on. Hopefully we get lots of accomplished. I know it's going to be a lot, but we'll see how it goes.